If you're looking for something that is so beautiful and very different from majority of the tiaras out there, from majority of the classical tiaras out there, then something like this may be of interest to you. It is a beautiful floral headband that is effectively two kind of wings full of crystals and pearls that are connected through this wire, and the wire can be actually covered up, can be covered by your hands so that it's not seen, and your hairdresser will be able to help you with that. And the reason why we've added the wire in the middle is to make it a little more steady and steady to wear, so that you can dance around and enjoy yourself on your big day and feel like your tiara is going nowhere. It's such a beautiful headpiece. I absolutely adore it.